Hi everybody, this is Roxy, and I have the January kit, which has a love letter Valentine's theme. Sorry my voice is a little weak, still fighting that pneumonia problem I had from the stupid chemo, but I'm getting there. So again, she has some lovely swatches of fabric, really cute lace trim, and then the smalls, as I call them, the little things that add a lot to your projects. And again, she's got the best, sweetest pattern paper on her site that she creates. I've gotten a lot of it and get a lot of use out of it. So you get that, and then these are her creations. Not that, of course. I'm sure you can tell the difference. And then her little envelope. Cute. XOXO. These are really cute. And I'm pretty sure you can buy these, like a page of that, in her Etsy shop. And I mentioned the last subscription box that she offered all my subscribers a 20% off her general merchandise, not the subscription boxes. But trust me, you'll find lots to buy from her. So that is, the code is Roxy20, and I've got it linked below in the description box too, so be sure you use it. It's worth every penny. Then, here's the extra details. She's got a lot of cool vintage ephemera. There's her little kitty. And we've got a Raggedy Ann card. So cute. The Pullman Company. That must have been for a train ride. Just how cool. You really got to think ahead when you're at like estate sales and stuff. She obviously does. You can tell she gets like a color code kind of going. That's a smart way to do it. Here's some wallpaper strips. Pretty. Check. And a guest check. So just really cool things to use. And you'll get a lot of inspiration from her kits too. Some more goodies. Money. Cute. Rolodex. That's really cute. Some bingo. And a pretty envelope. Cute. And so cute. Wait for me. Cute. I remember using these at work a lot. Cute, cute, cute. Can't wait to get crack-a-lackin' on this. See, that's a fun one of her papers. That's wallpaper. That would be cute in a baby's room. Numb. Proposal. Excellent. Oh, cool. Somebody's sorority. That's cool. And a ledger sheet. Very cool. So that's the January / Valentine's. And I'll keep showing them as I get them because they're so much fun. And again, use the code Sheila gave us for discount on all her regular merchandise. So get shopping. Thanks for watching. Bye.